Hey Zone K! Welcome to your Spring Zone Rally. My name is Jared Green and I'm your International Trustee for the 2011-2012 service year. So, let me quickly tell you what I do as International Trustee. Basically, I know you know the Key Club hierarchy, and so you have your district board where you have Doug and Jessica and Eric, and they all serve on your district board and they lead your district, Florida. And then there's an international board, which helps to lead the entire international organization of 260,000 members, upwards of that actually. And what we do is we vote on legislation, we make rules, we change policy, and we run Key Club International. And so I'm an international trustee, and I serve on this board, and there are 10 other international trustees, 11 in total, and then an international president, Annie Lewandowski, and international vice president, Kat Levins. And so we make up the international board. And then what I do is I have 3 districts, Florida is one of them, along with the Carolinas and Jamaica, and I travel to the districts, I go to some board meetings, I'll be at your district convention, and I tell them about what the international board is up to, like right now. And so that's pretty much my job as international trustee. I really love it, and I get to spend a lot of time doing Key Club. So let me start off by telling you a little bit about what the international board has been up to lately. So in January, we had an international board meeting in New Orleans, and we met with actually Kiwanis International Board and the Circle K International Board, our other brother. I guess Circle K is our older brother and Kiwanis is our parent organization. And we actually got the chance to spend some time with them and to see how their boards work also. And then we had our own international board meeting where we did some really interesting stuff. You can check out the minutes, but some of the highlights where we set aside funds for a new promotional video that's going to be out in about a year or two. And we also changed the definition of a service hour. So now when you plan a project, it also counts as a service hour, as long as it goes along with your district guidelines for a service hour, which I believe it does. And let's see, what else did we change? We changed the whole policy for distinguished lieutenant governors, and we did a bunch of new stuff. And we also put a translation application online, so now you can apply to get materials and resources translated if you're trying to start a club in Spain. I don't know, sounds good. And so that's pretty much what the International Board has been up to. I'm part of the Communications Committee, which works to create advertisements and to talk to the public about Key Club. And then there's also the Leadership Committee, which creates resources to help you guys, the officers, and the members get even more involved in Key Club. So that's what I've been up to, and if you guys have any questions, please let me know. My email address is right here at the bottom, and it's trustee.jared@gmail.com. Let me know, I'd love to hear your questions, and have a great Spring Zone Rally. Thanks, Florida. I'll talk to you soon, Zone K.